You know, for the cost of about 6 months gym membership, we picked up this Ancheer Magnetic Elliptical. Now we have the convenience of getting our cardio in our own home. Do you own an elliptical or a treadmill? Let us know in the comments below. You start by assembling the supports. The trickiest part of the whole build was getting the cable apart to attach to the main post. Next, you thread this rod through. Now we have to attach the feet supports. Now we attach the handlebars and the stationary safety grabs. Now it's time to attach the main controller for the elliptical. Now we put the feet pads on. Now that that's done, let's try it out. Perfect. If this video has been helpful for you, why don't you give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss another informative episode.